Well, thanks for staying with us today here at Midday. We're taking your questions right now for veterinarian David Graff. Thanks for being here today.
Happy to be here.
And who'd you bring with you today?
This is Pria. She's from the Cedar Rapids Animal Care and Control. She's a young spayed female adult cat. She's between 2 and 4.
Okay, and she seems really chill.
And she needs a home, and she's really a nice kitty. She purrs real loud.
Absolutely. I know I saw meteorologist Justin Gertz in here because he loves cats and he can't have them at home. So he was definitely getting his kitty cat fill earlier, but she needs a good home. So if you'd like Pria, give Cedar Rapids Animal Care and Control a call. We do have a caller on the line. Anita is on the phone with a question for us. Go ahead, Anita.
Yes, I have a cat, a male cat, and he scratches a lot, and I'm wondering if I put a topical on him for fleas, and that just doesn't seem to do any good.
Okay.
Is there something else that I could do for him?
And you're still seeing fleas?
Actually, I don't see any fleas on him, but I see evidence that he has had some there.
Okay. All right. If you have a bad flea infestation in your house, it'll take a minimum of 3 months of topical application to get rid of the fleas. And so in the meantime, consult with your veterinarian on things that could help give your kitty some relief from the itchiness.
Okay.
See, what happens is they develop an allergy to the flea saliva. So when the fleas bite, it causes them to itch all over.
Okay, and the fleas could be present in your home for a while still?
Yes, it can take the minimum of 3 months to get rid of the fleas out of your house with just applying topical. If you have a really bad infestation in your house, you may want to do some environmental treatment of the house with some sprays. You can contact a commercial company, or you can get some sprays to use in the house.
Yeah, get that little lady some relief out there.
But you can see your veterinarian to get some relief from that.
Okay. One thing you had mentioned that you wanted to talk about, you had somebody say, why does my dog shiver?
Yes.
I think a lot of us dog owners sometimes wonder they start shaking for no reason, but there can be real medical reasons behind that.
Right, there can. Well, I'll just talk about a client came in this morning and asked the question, my dog's been shivering. Why is that? Because it's not cold. Well, being cold is one reason why your dog might shiver. Anxiety. If your dog has anxiety for whatever reason, fireworks, the mailman, company coming over, separation anxiety. Before you leave or when you get home, if your dog has anxiety, they may shiver. And then it could indicate pain. That's the medical part. Okay. Sometimes they may have pain that they're not telling you about. Dogs are very stoic, and they can have pain and not give you any good indications of that pain. And sometimes they don't limp, sometimes they just lay around and shiver.
So there can be a real problem.
That could be an indicator. Right?
All right, well, if your dog's shaking, then word to the wise, be aware, you might want to get a check.
Many dogs, when they come to the veterinarian, shiver when they come in because they're having anxiety.
Right.
Okay, or excitement. It's not always anxiety, it could be excitement that they're happy to see you and they're shivering.
Well, that's the good kind. So anyway, well, Dr. Graff, thanks for joining us today, and Pria is available at Animal Care and Control. Stay with us, another check your forecast when we come back.